Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to add attachment to email on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Mail app on your iPhone. Now to add an attachment, just reply to an email or just start a new email. Now I will start a new email. Now to add an attachment to your email, just tap on the cursor on your email. After that, just tap on the arrow icon over here. Now from this pop-up window, you can either attach a photo or video from your gallery app. You can also attach a file and even you can scan a document. Now for an example, I will attach a photo to this email. For that, just tap on insert photo or video. Now just select the photo or video which you want to attach to your email. Now as you can see, I have selected this image. And as you can see, I have successfully attached this photo to our email. And this is how you can add attachment to email on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.